Hello, and today we will be installing Nobara on an AMD GPU. Let's get to it. First thing we'll be messing with is the BIOS. You're going to want to change your boot devices, so you're going to want to go to your boot menu. Then your boot options, you're going to go boot option 1, and you're going to select the USB key. It should say UEFI. And then you're going to save changes and reboot. Now we'll be booting from the USB. You're going to want to select the top one. It's going to take a couple seconds, 30 seconds, and then a loading screen with your motherboard manufacturer's name will be on it. Any second. There we go. This should take no longer than 30 seconds to a minute right here. And install time. Screen will go black. Cursor will come back up. Bam, we're in Nobara. From there, let this load up. It's going to ask you your language settings. I picked English. And then from there, next. And then I picked Chicago as my time zone, my keyboard, standard, QWERTY. And then from here, I picked erase disk. So it's going to erase the disk. Here you'll put in your credentials. I named it noob. No password. I understand security. And then you're going to click install. Now this part will take a minute. I'd say if it takes longer than 10 minutes, I would try again. This is sped up, I think, 8 times. But it's faster than installing Windows. And now it's done, and it'll reboot. So restart now. Once the PC shuts off, take the USB out. The boot settings should have been changed automatically. It's cleaning itself up, and we should be at the boot screen right about now. You want to hit the top one again. From there, it should boot. If you have any problems, restart and turn the Windows settings off. And boom, you did it. You now have Nobara, which is a really optimized version of Linux meant for gaming. In the next video, we will be talking about doing it on an NVIDIA card, which has the newest and latest drivers, which is actually kind of cool, especially since they went open source. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye.